In this video we are going to talk about 18 dividend stocks that fill your pockets. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. It's not only about yield when it comes to finding the best dividend stocks. For income investors, long-term dividend growth is critical. The top 20 dividend stocks are listed below. Number 18. Cardinal Health. Cardinal Health, CAH, has grown into a behemoth through acquisitions. Binley Western Industries was purchased for $2.2 billion in February 2021. Elective surgery was postponed due to the pandemic, which hampered the medical device industry. However, the company generated enough free cash flow to enhance dividends. Cardinal Health has increased its annual dividend for 35 years. Aristocrat increased their dividend by 1% to 49.08 cents per share in August 2021. Number 17. Atmos Energy. In January 2020, ATO became a member of the Dividend Aristocrats. Over 3 million distribution clients are served by the Dallas-based corporation, which has over 1,400 facilities in 8 states. They like ATO's strong fundamentals and the growing demand for natural gas in the United States. A strong balance sheet and profit growth potential that is above average are also advantageous. Atmos will have increased its dividend for 34 years in a row in November 2021, with an increase of 8.8%. Number 16. Chevron. Chevron, CVX, the world's largest oil and gas company, employs geothermal energy. It is the only energy-related stock among the Dow's 30 stocks. Chevron has the most straightforwardly positive risk-reward profile in its industry, according to analysts. CVX's continuous dividend increase will be preserved for the next 3 decades, according to management. Chevron upped their quarterly dividend by 4% to $1.34 per share in April 2021. Number 15. General Dynamics. General Dynamics, GD, has joined the elite group of equities with the fastest-growing dividends in 2017. Regular dividend payments have been fueled by military spending. In December 2020, the U.S. Army awarded the business a $4.6 billion contract for the newest Abrams main battle tank. In March 2021, Gen Dynamics boosted distribution by 30 GD and increased the quarterly dividend by 8.2% to $1.19 per share. With a payout ratio of 41%, General Dynamics should be able to increase dividends even further. Number 14. Roper Technologies. For nearly 3 decades, Roper Technologies, ROP, a maker of medical and scientific imaging equipment, RF technology and software, and energy systems and controls, has been profitable. The most recent rise was 10.2% to 62 cents per share in November 2021. Acquisitions, organic expansion, and increased profitability have all boosted Roper's dividend. Despite the low yield, patient investors have come to appreciate ROP's consistent dividend growth. Number 13. Ecolab. Food, healthcare, and oil and gas are examples of industry clients. This technology aids in the optimization of offshore oil production, as well as commercial laundry services. When energy providers cut spending, Ecolab's fortunes may suffer. However, this Dividend Aristocrat stock has paid off over time. With 30 years of dividend increases, the stock has outperformed for 5, 10, and 15 years. In December 2021, a 6% increase to 51 cents per share was announced. Number 12. A.O. Smith. In 2018, A.O. Smith, AOS, a manufacturer of commercial and residential water heaters, became a Dividend Aristocrat. It announced a 7.7% quarterly raise to 28 cents per share in October 2021. For the previous 29 years, the industrial corporation had increased dividends. As a result, AOS dividend has increased by over 17% in the last 5 years. The annualized dividend growth rate over the last 5 years is 158%. Number 11. Linde. In January 2018, Linde, LIN, finalized its merger with Praxair, PXAR, which was named to the S&P 500's top dividend growth stocks list. Linde-$90, it established the largest industrial gas firm in the world. Praxair had been increasing its dividend for 25 years before to the takeover, and it still does. Linde, based in Dublin, has increased its dividend every year since 2014. Linde's most recent 10% increase was in January 2021, when it was $1.06. After debt servicing commitments, its dividend should be able to grow. Number 10. West Pharmaceutical Services. In January 2021, WST was elevated to the dividend aristocrats for its nearly 3-decade yearly growth record. The dividend was last increased in October 2021, when it was increased by 5.9% to 18 cents per share. Regular dividend increase should be assured by ample free cash flow and a low payout ratio. Number 9. People United Financial. In this dividend stock portfolio, the PBC Trust, PBCT, is an unconventional bank bet. The regional bank has over $400 branches throughout Connecticut, New York, Massachusetts, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine, with assets of over $63 billion. In 1842, the venerable New England institution was founded. PBCT increased its quarterly dividend from 17.75 cents to 18.25 cents in April 2021. Number 8. Chubb. Chubb has joined the Dividend Aristocrats, CB. In May 2021, the insurance upped its payout from 78 cents to 80 cents. For the past 28 years, Chubb has increased its dividend. Furthermore, Chubb's steady dividend increases add up. The insurer's annualized dividend growth rate over the last 20 years has surpassed 134%. Number 7. Realty Income. For income investors, Realty Income, is a dependable, dividend-paying REIT. Realty Income offers a one-of-a-kind monthly dividend. The 630 tenants in 58 industries include Walgreens, WBA, 7-Eleven, WBA, FedEx, FDX, and Dollar General, DG. Realty Income generates consistent income flow as a result of its long-term leases. The company's dividend has climbed by 4.3% every year since 1994. In November of 2021, the monthly dividend was raised from 23.6 cents to 24.6 cents. Number 6. Expeditors International of Washington. Washington, D.C.-based Expeditors International, EXPD. In May 2021, the corporation increased its semi-annual dividend from 52 cents to 58 cents. The transportation firm has had a difficult time. Trade conflicts between the United States and China harmed EXPD during the previous administration. Air freight and container shipping are currently affected. For nearly a quarter century, EXPD has grown its semi-annual dividend. Furthermore, the low payout ratio of Expeditors could maintain it among the finest dividend stocks. Number 5. Essex Property Trust. The Essex Property Trust, ESS, is a dividend aristocrat that primarily invests in flats on the West Coast. The REIT has boosted its payments since its IPO in 1994. ESS boosted the quarterly dividend by 5 cents to $2.09 per share in February 2021. As a result of its continuous and strong dividend increases, Essex has a 101.2% dividend growth record over the last 10 years. Its annualized dividend growth rate is almost 250% over a 20-year period. Number 4. Caterpillar. In January 2019, Caterpillar, CAT, a global leader in heavy construction and mining equipment, became a dividend aristocrat. CAT has grown its dividend payout every year since 1933, a period of 27 years. The corporation upped the dividend by 8% to $1.11 each quarter in June 2021. To support its dividend, CAT has lots of free cash flow. For the fiscal year ended December 31, 2020, CAT reported $1.97 billion in free cash flow after debt payments and $2.2 billion in dividends. Number 3. Albemarle. Albemarle, ALB, a maker of specialty chemicals including lithium, has upped its quarterly dividend to 39 cents per share, up 1.3%. We believe there is a bigger upside risk for this trend to accelerate in the US under a blue wave, CFRA Research writes. Number 2. International Business Machines. IBM, a component of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, has been losing ground. The company's revenue has been declining for over a decade due to its lack of leadership in key growth areas such as social, mobile, analytics, and cloud infrastructure. In April 2021, IBM upped its quarterly dividend to $1.64 per share for the 26th year in a row. Since 1916, IBM has paid quarterly dividends. One of the most important characteristics of strong dividend stocks is that they have the ability to continue to grow. Number 1. NextEra Energy. NE has recently become a member of the aristocracy. In January 2021, dividend growers will be revealed. Visit www.fpl.com for additional details. Florida Power and Light, FPL, is the state's largest power provider, and analysts at NextEra Energy Resources praise the company's growing renewable energy section. Population growth and the Biden administration's emphasis on renewable energy should help. In February 2021, a 10% increase to 38.5 cents per share was announced. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching us.